Hi, everybody. It's
Hello.
Gareth.
And Janet.
And of course, we're the Port Monkeys. And I'm having trouble holding my phone still, but I wanted to let you know that we're sailing out of San Pedro today, Los Angeles, on the Discovery Princess to the Mexican Riviera for a week.
Just a short cruise, but we haven't been on a cruise in like 2 months, which for us is a lot. So we needed to jump on something.
I wanted to tell you that we're going to go live at least once a day, maybe twice, maybe in the morning, maybe in the evening. Probably be around between 6 and 7 California time, Pacific Daylight Time. Although now we're in Daylight Savings Time, so we're out of date. I thought they were supposed to fix that, but anyway, bon voyage.
Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next part.
By the way, if you're on board, say hi.
Yeah,
All
we
right.
don't bite.
Bye now.
Bye.